Hello, my name is Arturo. I am going to explain the second law of Newton. Newton's second law is responsible for explaining the concept of force. It tells us about that a net force applied on a body is proportional to the acceleration that a body acquires it. For example, if a train car with a load suddenly stops in the rails because it has encountered with an obstacle, its load tends to have the same speed and the same direction that has in that moment. Now I'm going to talk about the formula of the second law of Newton. This is the force is equal to the mass per the acceleration, which means that the greater the magnitude of the net or resultant force that acts upon a body, the greater is the acceleration that this force will be. And the product term with respect to the mass, the relationship is inverse. That is the larger of the mass. Then the less will the acceleration it produces it.
Hi, I'm Humberto and I'm going to explain the experiment. And in this experiment, I used three cars. This one, this is a truck, and this car with more weight. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put this car right here and the truck right there. And what I'm going to see is the force and the acceleration that is explained on the second law of motion. Now in this case I'm using another car. This car, it has a greater mass than the other one. Why? Because I put here these steel balls that help to make more mass in the car. Now I'm going to see what happens when I make the same but different masses. The explanation of this experiment is that when we use this car, it has a less mass than this one, and it means that it has a less force applying to it than this one, because this one has greater mass, it has a greater force. In these two cases, the acceleration was the same because the gravity was affecting it.